guys, Lucas here with FastCap. This is the SuperVac. This is my favorite new product because I've been struggling with shop vacs my entire life. When you go to clean the floor, you usually get one of two tips. One of these guys here, or one of these guys here. And let's be real, does anybody like vacuuming with these? You always have to keep it exactly the right angle. You're hunched down, it's not ergonomic. If you get the angle wrong, it'll stick to your mat, it'll just start pushing dust around instead of actually sucking it. This one always squeaks. These things break all the time because you're always frustrated with them. They're not ergonomic, they don't swivel around, it's hard to get around corners. And when you're up on a tabletop, you gotta hold it way up like that. So the SuperVac is gonna fix all those problems. You're never gonna want this thing in your shop ever again. Put the SuperVac on and get to vacuuming. So this guy has a spinning brush head in it, like most quality vacuums do. And I don't know why no one's ever made a spinning brush head for a shop vac before. So it's powered by suction from the vacuum. So the suction will actually just make it spin. It'll get the dust off way, way better. It's got wheels on it, so it always stays at the perfect angle. And then it swivels up and down, so you don't have to worry about what angle you're holding your hand at. Super ergonomic. And then it goes around corners really nice and easily with the swiveling part right here. And it's gonna suck up all your fine dust so much faster, so much better the first time. It's even easy to use up on a tabletop because of the nice swivel on it. The only thing it's not gonna do great with is big wood chunks like these guys. These will maybe clog it up a little bit, but if it does clog up, there's a little door on the back side, so that just pops right open. You can pull those big cloggy pieces out, get right back to vacuuming. When you purchase it, it's actually gonna come in two pieces like this. With the two pieces, you're just gonna push one into the other till it snaps and it'll never come out. So, SuperVac, get yours today at FastCap.com. You're gonna love vacuuming up at the end of the day. You're gonna be excited to grab the shop vac instead of dreading it.